Welcome to Cars Toptv. In today's video, we take a detailed look at the 2026 Honda SP125, a commuter motorcycle that continues Honda's legacy of reliability, efficiency, and modern styling. Designed for daily riders who want comfort, performance, and smart technology, the new SP125 brings meaningful upgrades for 2026. Refreshed design and styling. The 2026 Honda SP125 features a refreshed and sharper design that looks premium for its segment. The fuel tank extensions, sleek side panels, and sporty tail section give the motorcycle a more dynamic road presence. New color options and updated graphics add freshness, making it appealing to both young riders and professionals who prefer a stylish daily commuter. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 Honda SP125 is a refined 124cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine engineered for smooth and efficient performance. The engine delivers responsive acceleration, making city riding effortless while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Honda's enhanced engine tuning ensures reduced vibrations and consistent power delivery across different riding conditions. Mileage and fuel efficiency. One of the strongest highlights of the Honda SP125 remains its impressive mileage. With Honda's fuel injection technology and lightweight build, the 2026 model offers excellent fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting and long-term cost savings. It is built to deliver maximum kilometers with minimum fuel consumption. Features and technology. The 2026 Honda SP125 comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel level, gear position, real-time mileage, and trip information. Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone alerts add convenience for modern riders. Additional features like engine start-stop technology and silent start enhance both efficiency and riding comfort. Comfort and ride quality. Honda has focused on rider comfort by offering a well-cushioned seat, upright riding posture, and refined suspension setup. The telescopic front forks and rear shock absorbers handle uneven roads smoothly, ensuring a comfortable ride even on longer daily commutes. The lightweight chassis makes the bike easy to handle in traffic. Safety and braking. Safety is a priority in the 2026 Honda SP125. It features a reliable braking system with a front disc brake and rear drum brake, supported by Combi Brake System (CBS) for balanced stopping power. The strong frame and stable handling add confidence while riding in busy urban environments. Price expectation and market position. The 2026 Honda SP125 is expected to be competitively priced, making it a strong contender in the 125cc commuter segment. With Honda's trusted build quality, low maintenance costs, and modern features, it offers excellent value for riders looking for a dependable everyday motorcycle. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda SP125 blends style, efficiency, comfort, and advanced features into one well-rounded package. It remains a top choice for riders who want a reliable commuter with a premium feel. For more latest bike and car updates, stay connected with Cars Toptv.